Good day guys, and welcome to this video. And today's video I'll show you the updated way to deactivate a Facebook page. Okay, so guys, before I proceed, I appreciate if you like this video, subscribe to this channel, leave a comment in the comment section, share this video, and also contact us for arts and collaborations via the description of this video. Okay, so guys, let's proceed. So now you need to head over to your Facebook app. Okay, so now you need to open your Facebook app. So after opening your Facebook app, now you can navigate from your profile to your page. Okay, make sure you're on your page. Okay, so now you need to tap on this three line icon at the top right hand of your screen. So after tapping on it, now you need to scroll down and tap on settings and settings. Okay, below settings and privacy, tap on settings. So now you need to tap on page settings below page. So now you need to scroll down till you actually get to this Facebook page information. Then now you need to tap on access and control below it. So now tap on deactivation and deletion. So now select deactivate page, then continue. So now you need to input your password. Okay, so guys, after inputting your password, your page will be deactivated successfully. Okay, so guys, that's how you deactivate a page. That's the updated way to deactivate a page on Facebook. So guys, before I conclude, I'll share once again, if you like this video, subscribe to this channel, leave a comment in the comment section, share this video, and also contact us for art and collaborations via the description of this video. Okay, so guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Have a lovely day. Stay safe.